Hi, it's Ian from Over50travelandlifestyle.com, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Punthill Apartments at Caroline Springs, just outside the Melbourne CBD. I'm going to focus on three main areas. Number 1, location and surrounding areas. Number 2, check-in, service and amenities. Number 3, the room, comfort, cleanliness and fittings. It's sold as an apartment, so it should have much more than a normal motel room would. Let's get into the review. Over Christmas, Paulin and I went on our annual trip to Melbourne to visit our children and grandchildren. We didn't get around to booking accommodation until late November, and prices in Melbourne were sky high, so we looked just outside the CBD and found what turned out to be a fantastic place to stay. The Punthill Apartments at Caroline Springs are about a 30-minute drive from the Melbourne CBD or the main Melbourne Airport at Tullamarine. They offer studio, 1 and 2 bedroom apartments, all with excellent free Wi-Fi. We got a great deal on Booking.com for 7 nights in a 1-bedroom apartment, and we were really happy with the rate. You can check out rates for yourself using the link in the description below. Compared to staying in the CBD, we saved quite a few dollars, and it was much quieter than we were used to on our previous trips. The instructions provided in the confirmation email on where to park were spot on, and check-in was a breeze. We were very happy to see a quality coffee machine in the lobby along with some snacks and drinks for those late-night munchies. These aren't free, so check the prices before grabbing handfuls and running off. The staff at Punthill Apartments are very pleasant and knowledgeable. Everyone should be proud of the experience they provide because they have done a great job of training the staff. Something we didn't realize when we booked is that this property is dog-friendly. Yes, you can take your favorite fur baby to stay with you. While we left our lazy greyhound at home with other humans, it was really impressive to find a property of this standard that allows dogs in the rooms. Time to head to our apartment, and it certainly met, even exceeded our expectations. We travel a lot and have stayed in so many places, but we only really have 3 non-negotiables: working and quiet aircon or heating, comfortable bed, hot shower with good pressure. If all these are good, everything else is a bonus. Happy to say that we 100% can tick all 3 off with this apartment. On top of that, a good-sized TV in both the living area and the bedroom. A well-appointed kitchen with stainless steel appliances including a dishwasher, fridge, washing machine, and dryer. All our non-negotiable boxes were ticked, and we settled in for a comfy stay. All the apartments have a small balcony area with a single chair, but we didn't really use it as Melbourne weather was up to its usual tricks of either stinking hot or cold and wet. But that is Melbourne 4 seasons in one day, and it didn't disappoint on this trip. The bedroom included its own AC unit and a huge, very comfortable king-size bed. Storage was adequate but not great, with one hanging space which surprisingly was open with no way to hide the wardrobe mess. Something we really liked and used throughout our stay was the clear glass wall between the bedroom and the dining area. There was a blackout roller blind fitted for night use, but during the day this could be rolled up. This worked so well, as it allowed natural light into the bedroom and opened the whole apartment up, making it feel much larger than it actually is. There is a small dining table with 4 comfortable chairs and a relaxing 2-seat couch positioned well for TV viewing. The TVs are smart TVs, meaning you could access Netflix, etc., then log in using your own account and watch whatever you wanted. The bathroom includes a large walk-in shower with a rain head and handheld spray. Plenty of hot water with very good pressure. The provided towels were of good quality and very soft. The vanity is a good size but lacks a little in the storage department, but is adequate. The housekeeping at Punthill Apartments Caroline Springs includes a basic daily service to remove rubbish and a full service once a week. Location-wise, the Punthill Apartments at Caroline Springs scored a 9 out of 10. Plenty of cafes, restaurants, and an IGA within walking distance, and the biggest chemist warehouse I have ever seen. A special mention to an amazing restaurant, the Boardwalk. It was full every night and so busy with Uber orders. We ate in one night and grabbed a takeaway pizza another night, and the food was simple Italian but so good. We understand why it was packed every night. Paulin and I are both confident that if you stay at the Punthill Apartments you will not be disappointed. Overall, we were very pleased and give the Punthill Apartments at Caroline Springs a well-deserved overall rating of 9.5 out of 10. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. It makes a huge difference to us and helps more people find our videos.